Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nofajar. My NPM is 2571001P. Uh, in this video, I will explain about the environment and corporate culture and how these two elements shape organizational success in rapidly changing world. Modern organizations do not operate in isolation. They are constantly influenced by external forces such as technology, globalization, and regulation, as well as internal factor like value, leadership, and organizational culture. Understanding this interaction is critical for long-term success. Let us begin with the first slide. Organizational success is shaped by the interaction between the environment and corporate culture. As the business environment becomes more complex and unpredictable, organization must continuously adapt. Corporate culture plays as a strategic role in determining how quickly and effectively a company responds to change. In the short, environment creates pressure, while culture determines the response. Next slide. Understanding the organizational environment. The organizational environment consists of external and internal elements that influence company operation and strategic direction. The external environment include all factors outside the organization such as a market trend, economic condition, government regulation, and technological change. The internal environment include company culture, leadership style, employee, internal processes, and organizational structure. The interaction between these two environments determine how well an organization can adapt, compete, and grow. Next slide. The four key dimensions of the external environment. This slide explains the four major dimensions of the external environment. First is the international dimension, which is include global customer, competitor, supplier, and worldwide economy and social trend. Second is the technological dimension, where advanced such as artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and medical innovation are reshaping industry and redefining competition. Third is the social cultural dimension, which include demographic change, shifting value, and cultural norms that influence consumer behavior and workforce expectation. Finally, the economic and legal political dimension involve purchasing power, government policy, regulation, and political stability, all of which shape business strategy and market access. Next slide. Task environment, the frontline influencer. The task environment consists of a stakeholder that directly interact with the organization. Customer today are more informed and empowered by the internet, demanding transparency and ethical behavior. Competitor push organization to innovasi, collaborate, and different their product and service. And supplier are increasingly viewed as a strategic partner rather than adversarial, working together to improve quality and efficiency. The, and the labor market require organization to continuously invest in employee skills due to globalization and automation. These actors strongly influence day-to-day decision making. Next slide. Corporate culture, the invisible internal environment. Corporate culture represent the invisible internal environment of an organization. It consists of shared value, belief, and assumption that guide how employees behave and work together. Culture is reflected through one symbol such as a logo and office design. Two, story, which communicate organizational value. Three, hero, who represent ideal behavior. Four, ceremony such as award and celebration. A strong culture shapes relationship, increase efficiency, and determine how open the organization is to change. Next slide. This slide presents four main types of corporate culture. Clan culture implies teamwork, loyalty, and family-like environment. Two, a dark culture focus on innovation, creativity, and risk taking. 3. Market culture is a result in oriented, competitive, and focused performance and market leadership. 4. Hierarchy culture, value structure, control, efficiency, and clear procedure. Each culture type has strengths and weakness, and organization often combine elements from several types. Next slide. How environment drive culture evolution? The environment continuously shapes how corporate culture evolve. Globalization introduces diverse perspective and new expectation. Technological disruption require agility, continuous learning, and adaptability. And demographic change demand inclusion, diversity, and flexible work practice. And regulatory and political change push organization toward stronger ethical and compliance-focused culture. Organizations that fail to adapt their culture risks become irrelevant. Next slide. Leadership role in aligning culture with environment. Leadership plays a critical role in aligning culture with environmental demand. Leader must articulate a clear and compelling vision that employees believe in. They must also model desired behavior, creating trust and accountability. Adaptive leader design flexible structure and encourage collaboration beyond organizational boundaries. The example of IBM show how strong leadership can transform culture to align with digital and global market. Next slide. The force of thriving corporate culture. This slide introduces the four Cs of a thriving corporate culture. 1. Communication. Ensure transparency and share understanding. 2. Collaboration. Breaks down silos and enhance innovation. 3. Consistency. Builds trust through reliability, behavior, and process. 4. Compassion. Foster empathy, inclusion, and employee well-being. Together, these elements create a resilient and high-performing organization. Next slide. Conclusion: culture as the strategic advantage. In conclusion, corporate culture is powerful strategic asset. The external environment shapes culture, and culture in turn shapes organizational performance. Organizations that proactively adapt their culture are better equipped to manage complexity and uncertainty. Leadership commitment to nurturing a dynamic and value-driven culture is essential for sustainable success. Your culture is competitive edge. Invest in to thrive in the future. Okay, thank you for watching this presentation on the environment and corporate culture. I hope this video has helped you understand how organization can align culture and environment to achieve long-term success. And see you in the next video.